I'm Sarah Butcher. I'm an artist and I have a shop on Etsy called Art and Type. And right now I have a number of card kits for sale. And this kit is called Autumn Wreath. And it features an original watercolor painting of mine. And it's printed right in my studio on Canson cold press watercolor paper. And when you get the kit, you're going to get 4 of these cards, and you're going to get a lot of leaf and star embellishments to glue on in any way you want. And I think that is the fun part of creating your cards, is you are not doing a prescribed same every time card. It's up to you where you place these. And once you have them placed where you want them, you're just going to glue them with a glue stick, which is included in the kit. And what I like to do is have a piece of paper nearby, so that once I have glued it down, I'm going to place the paper over, I'm going to rub on that so that it securely stays, and also the glue is not going to get on the card. So you're going to continue doing this to have everything in place the way that you want it. And once you've done that, you're ready to give your cards to family and special friends.